Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I drink quite a bit of water throughout the day, but sometimes I just crave a little bit extra. I want something sweet and flavorful, and that's why I love Stur Water Enhancer. Now, one of the reasons I like this brand over others is because they use stevia extract to sweeten it. So it is semi-sweet, not too much, but what I love about stevia is it's not damaging to your teeth like sugar or other types of sweeteners. That's a major concern for our family, especially with my kids, because I swear they look at sugar and get a cavity. So my kids enjoy this too. It helps to encourage them to drink more water. They get a little bit of extra flavor, so it's not boring to them. And then I can feel good about it because I don't have to worry about the health of their teeth. So if you're looking for a way to encourage your kids to drink water, or maybe you just want a little bit of extra flavor every now and again like I do, I think Stur is an excellent choice. You can kind of customize to your taste with how many squirts you use. We love it. And that's my point of view.